Wish you a good day, friends. In the last video, we saw about basics of Zoom Cloud. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to install Android apps in Windows operating system. The same can be used for other operating system. For this, you need to install an operating system known as Phoenix. The already installed operating system on your machine will not be altered or deleted. The setup file can be downloaded from the link which is given in description. Now, let me show you how to install the setup file. You have to choose the storage space for your Phoenix OS. The more space you give, the more time it will take to install. After installing, when restarting the machine, you will be asked to select the operating system. Here, you will be shown your default operating system and Phoenix operating system. Select Phoenix operating system. First, select the language and click Next. Accept the license agreement. Connect to the Wi-Fi network if you want, or else click Skip. Give the username as you wish and click Next. And now you will be getting in the Phoenix operating system. Press the Windows key and you will be listed with the inbuilt apps. And now here you can see the Play Store. Go to Play Store and sign in with your Google account. And from here you can install the apps and use it. To return to your existing operating system, press the Windows key, power icon and restart. And again, you will be asked to select the operating system. Click your existing operating system which you have used before.